Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be participating in the spotlight challenge with some ladies from Instagram. So here are their channels. Here are the two ladies that I'm going to be spotlighting today. Dana August Nails, she's super duper talented in the hand-drawn art department, and also Nail Addict She, aka Sheena. So she's super duper talented, she's very versatile, she does like press-ons and polygel, lazy girl method, all of that. So please leave a like on their videos when their videos come out, and follow them on their YouTubes and Instagrams and other social medias as well. So they chose Pac-Man theme for this week, so that's super cute and exciting. So I'm going to be doing a set of press-on nails, and these are 3XL tapered square nail tips from AliExpress, and these are the colors I'm going to be using: Bronze Me Baby by Nail Addicts, Sea Sun Swing by Nail Addicts, and Perfect Black by Madam Glam. So the Sea Sun Swing is like this really sheer nude, and I really like it for French tip. Yeah, it's really cute. So I'm going to do 2 coats of that color on all the nails, cure them for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go in with some black French tips. So after I cured the nude, as you can see, it's super sheer. You can kind of see the tack that I'm using to keep the press-ons on the stands, and I actually really like that look because when it's on your nails, it looks super natural. So right now I'm going in with the Madam Glam Perfect Black, along with this I think Macart #1 liner brush, and I'm just creating that smile line. And this is not my neatest work, honestly. It's kind of messy, but I'm going in with the actual brush from the bottle and just filling it in after I'm satisfied with the line that I created. So after I go ahead and fill it in, I'm going to put it in my light and let it cure for about 90 seconds, and then I'm going to repeat this process on all of the other fingers. So doing French tip is fairly easy. All you have to do is create 2 lines going in and just round it out at the bottom. And using a longer brush than the one I'm using is going to be super helpful and make it easier to get those long strokes and cleaner lines. So after I've done the French tips on all the nails, I'm now doing the Pac-Man design. So I'm just doing a semicircle with a little gap. It's super easy. I think it would be a little bit easier to use a dotting tool to create that roundness, and then use your brush to make the space, if that makes sense. So here it is after 1 coat. So then I'm going to go in with another coat to make sure it's super opaque. And I'm very impressed with the Bronze Me Baby because it's able to completely cover that black gel polish, and it's a light color. It's like a pastel yellow, which is super cool. So now I'm just adding some dots on the French tip for like his food, and then after that I'm going to cure it and add an eye to Pac-Man, and then that's it. So here's the end product after top coat and some cuticle oil, and I just glued the press-ons on my nails. So I really like the Pac-Man theme. So here are the rest of the ladies that are participating this week, so go watch their videos. Sweet Tea Nails, she is the creator of this challenge. Jennifer Landreth, she is my partner. Criminal Claws, Rose 318, Nail Art by Nessa, and Mama Does Nails. So please leave a nice comment on their videos, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.